Oh, welcome back, guys. Another video on our playlist JavaScript. Alright. So in this incredible journey, we will learn together what it means an array in JavaScript. Okay, let's start together. Okay, so we have this index.js like so. Okay, we'll declare a constant. Const array equals to, we can make an empty array like so. Okay, then we can log this array, console log like so. Alright, can console the log. Okay, can save and together. It's an empty array. The length equal to 0. Alright, good job. We can proceed the work like so. For example, we can make some values if you want inside the array. Okay, another comment like so. We can add any type of data in our array. Okay, let's make some value. Alright, so we can make 20 and do the value false. So the string as well, for example, my name, Rami, like so, right? Another array is contain type and 10, alright? So, okay, so for now we have our array, it contains 4 elements, okay? For now, the length normally it's equal to 4, okay? We have a nested array as well, okay? Thank you, Black. So, yeah, the length equal to 4. Okay, hope that you understand all. Okay, let's proceed if you want to access to any element inside this array. Okay, let's make a test. All right. For example, we can make a short comment. We have now a k index in our array. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Like so. You can if you want access to any element inside the array with this index, for example, you can access using array dot when we make the index which is 3. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, which is the nested index. So yeah, the result is correct, which is our nested array with index 3 is displayed successfully. If you want to change the index, for example, to 0, so it will be 20, like so. Good job. Okay, for now, if you make 1, we have the index 1 false, 2 Rami, which is the index 2, and 3, which is the nested array. Okay, good job. For now, if you want to access to the 10, which is the second element on the nested array, okay, we can use, for example, now third one, and we can put the index 1, which is 10. Okay, then we can make some comments, which is a nested array. All right. Okay, it's displayed successfully. Okay, if you want to make the first one, we can make the index 0. Okay, this is displayed successfully as well. Okay, you can remove code if you want. So yeah, if you can make the index 30, we haven't any value with index 30, so the result will be undefined on the console, like so. Okay, good job. Now if you want to update the first one, so we can make array.0 and we can make the new value. For example, the new value will be equal to normally to 200. Okay, save and see together. Or 200 as a number, not a string. Okay, save and see together. So yeah, you need to change the index of array normally to 0, not 30. Okay. Okay, good job. Can see the entire array like so. The first one is updated to 200. Okay, good job. Okay, so yeah, we can proceed the work. Okay, we have our array. If you want, you can, for example, access to the index 4 of our array. We can update, for example, to another array 612 containing 612. Okay, add nested array. Okay, we can save and check together if it will be added to our entire array or not. Okay, simple command to clarify all things. Save and check together. Okay, all right. Okay, good job. It's added on the end of the array with the index 4. Okay, good job. It's so simple. Okay, all right. So yeah, we can make always this array add a special object. Okay. For now, we can console if you want the length or anything you want. For example, you can make the console.log and we can log the array.length to see the length of our array. Okay, the length equal to 5. Okay, it's displayed successfully and correctly as well. Okay, for now, if you want, you can make, for example, a test array with index 50. So you can add 9 and 10 as a nested array. Okay, for now, the length is 51. And so we have all those elements. And so the element number with index 15 is added successfully as well. Okay, good job. Always we can make some comments there. So yeah, add so we already add 45 empty items and then we can add the array with the index 50. Okay, good job. Let's proceed the work. Okay, for now, if you want, you can add another test to the array, or we can log if you want, for example, console.log, and we can make another console inside the console. So yeah, okay, let's make another test. So we have an empty string dot, and we have several methods that we can use. So yeah, so we can write console.load and then can make another console. So yeah, okay, inside the console like so. In the console we have several methods that we can use. Okay, we have the count, debug, gear, memory, log, time log, clear as well. So yeah, we have several methods we can use with our console. So we can use the console.clear in order to clear the console. Okay, save as together. Okay, successfully the console was cleared. Okay, for now I believe it's good, so we can proceed. Okay, for now, if you want, you can make another test. Okay, I'm thinking, for example, if you want, you can add another test. So yeah. Okay. So if you remove the console.clear, okay, we have the console displayed successfully. Okay, like so. If you want, you can make console.table. If you want to make the console as a table, okay, make the area as a table. So yeah, okay, good job. It's displayed successfully. Okay. Okay, if you want, we can several methods. You can use several methods on our console. You can use the dot ferrer or dot worm. If you want, we can make console.worm and you can pass the array or a message. This is the array, or this is a warning, like so. Okay, good job. This is a warning. Okay, you can test another thing. For example, console.error in order to display if we have some error as well. So this is an error, like a message on this other string. So yeah, okay, displayed successfully as an error. Okay, and several things. So yeah, it's just an example. So hope that you like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.